I'm kidding. Swiss type CNC lathe has the characteristics with high precision and high rigidity. Our company has the following types of CNC lathe: double spindle, double life, HANBS.We.
Increase the milling function, can process complex parts features.
CNC lathe, HANBS.We.
Through the CNC system control, high accuracy, suitable for mass production.
6-axis CNC lathe, HANBS.926.
Y2 is added on the basis of 926, which is suitable for the parts with milling processing process.
Vehicle and milling component, HANBS.146.
It can be turned and milling simultaneously with a maximum marshalling diameter of 46 millimeters.
5 lathes with moving CNC lathe, HANBS.W20.
Multiple lathe positions can be processed at the same time, greatly reducing the processing time.
Double spindle CNC lathe, HANBS.A20, another type machine.
Spindle and back spindle can be rough and refined at the same time, greatly improving the production efficiency.
If you don't know which model is suitable for processing your product, don't worry, we will recommend the most suitable machine for you. Bye!